Top 7 Reporting Tools to Improve Epicor ERP Data Management. Epicor ERP turns every invoice, order, and project into usable data. With the right reporting tools, that data becomes insight, powering faster decisions, smarter strategies, and better outcomes. These 7 tools will help you get more from Epicor Kinetics reporting capabilities. Grow real-time dashboards. Customize Grow's dashboards to your data needs. Use it to track performance, monitor operations, and present insights visually. Its ETL engine extracts and transforms data across your systems, ready for instant visualization. Grow is ideal for leadership overviews or team-specific dashboards. Financial planning and analysis. Epicor FP&A streamlines financial reporting with cloud-based tools that support smarter forecasting and budgeting. It uses machine learning to analyze real-time financial data, helping you model what-if scenarios, track profitability, and plan for growth. You can easily consolidate reports across departments and entities for a unified view. SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. Create highly customized reports using Microsoft SQL Server tools. Build interactive visuals, personalize layouts, and export in multiple formats like Excel and PDF. SSRS integrates with other Epicor modules to help you dig deep into operational data. BarTender, smarter labeling and documentation. BarTender automates the design and printing of labels, barcodes, RFID tags, and key documents. With intelligent templates and secure controls, you can print exactly what's needed, fast and accurately. It supports compliance, traceability, and efficient data output across operations. GL Report, General Ledger Reporting. The GL Report toolkit delivers full visibility into your company's financials. It connects to every corner of your ERP, reducing duplicate data entry and streamlining consolidation. With tools like Fast Close, multi-book support, and a segmented chart of accounts, you can analyze performance across branches and business units. EnForm, better business forms. Modernize Epicor's standard business forms with cleaner layouts, smart formatting, and fewer pages. You can hide unused fields, reduce page count, and improve clarity for both internal teams and external partners. It's a simple upgrade that makes documentation faster, neater, and easier to read. When built-in tools don't fit your workflow, Epicor makes it easy to create custom reports. You can design personalized dashboards or analytics to track your unique KPIs and strategies. Custom reports put your data to work, your way. Unlock deeper insights with Epicor's powerful reporting tools. Ready to optimize your ERP? Contact Encompass Solutions for expert guidance and custom solutions.